So today we are going to talk about macros in Excel. First of all, let us understand what is exactly macros and why do we need it. So let's say there are certain set of actions that are repetitive and you need to perform over and over again, and those tasks we can automate with the help of macros. How to do that we will get into. But before we start, please remember that this is an important question for the data analysis related interviews. What is macros and how do we create macros? So that could be the question. So let's be prepared for it. Now, before using the macros, if you see the existing options that we have by default, you will not see any option that will give you the macros functionality. So what to do? Click on files button, then click on this more button, then select options. Now you need to navigate towards this customized ribbon option, and to the right hand side, if you see, it will reflect you all the functionalities that we are using, and macros is under this developer functionality. So you need to check this checkbox developer and then click OK, because when you click on this developer box checkbox, then only you will be able to see this functionality. Now as we can see that we can see this developer ribbon here. In order to use the macros, what I will do, I'll go to this, I'll click on this record macro button. Once I click that, let's say I want to provide a name. So let's say merge name. So again, there cannot be any space. So you can use the underscore to provide the macro name and then click OK. Now let's do the activity that we are supposed to do every week again and again. So let's the activity that I am supposed to do, let's say, is that I am supposed to concatenate these two columns. So what I will do, I'll click on insert, then make this as full name, and then now let us use the concatenate function to merge these two columns. So I'll use the concatenate function. Let's take the first column, comma, then I need space, then I will need space, then second column, and I'll click enter. Okay, click enter. Now as we can see, we have done the merging of these two columns and created a new column. Now so after we do this, all you need to do is go to the developer tab again and click this stop recording button. So now we have recorded all the steps that were required to use this macro. Now the next thing is that let's say let's say after a week I want to do the same activity again, and obviously I do not want to do that manually. How can I automate that? So let's say my reporting manager has provided me this data again, and I want to use the macro that I've created. So what I will do, I'll just go to click on the macro, and the name that we created the macro that we created was merge name. So I'll just click on this run button. The moment I do that, I can see that automatically this new column has been created that tells us about the full name. Okay, so it's that easy. I hope this will help you. Thank you so much.